Hi guys. Okay. Good morning. Good afternoon. Back customer service with me. So you see this stuffs I'm holding, these beautiful pants, trouser, whichever one you call it. Okay, these are customers for them. These are the trousers to this shirt. See this shirt here. This is for one person. The man called me. Okay, I do make wears for him. So he said, okay, I should help him make for his boys. I think they are like 17, 18, and 15 years. There are three. So I made two for each person. So these are the trousers, like I said, and these are the shirts. See what the shirt looks like. You see this one? You see how fine it is? Okay, let me show you another one. Take a look at this beauty. So you see? So these are the shirts. We have six shirts. Let me show you one of the trousers, what it looks like. So this is what those tops I showed you. This is what it looks like. This is a trouser. Here you see it has an elastic waistband and joggers rope. Here you see. So this is what, like this one now is going with this. These two are together. Here you see. This is a trouser to this. So just like we have these six shirts, we have six trousers. Yeah. So let's pack all this. Okay. Like I told you, these are the trousers. I already folded them, so I'm not going to scatter it again. You guys saw what that one looked like. That's how everything here is for different sizes. Okay, so keep this by the side. This is my phone pouch. So I'm going to fold the shirts. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm trying to fold the shirts. Remember the trousers? I said I'm not going to lose it. So if you don't know how to fold a shirt by now, please rush to my YouTube channel, Sew with UJ. Yes, I have a detailed tutorial on how to fold your shirt after ironing. Okay, just go and check it out and see how I was able to fold all these shirts and package it very well. You understand? So I think this is the last set. This is the last set. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this shirt, this two piece you see me packaging, it's someone that said I should make it for his boys, meaning you can buy for someone, you can gift someone, you understand? Yes, it's not just yourself. Tell me to make for someone, you can send me the person's picture if you don't want the person to know. Okay, and I'll make something beautiful for the person. So guys, remember we're in Lagos, but we deliver nationwide. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. My customer's order is ready, so all I have to do now is to go and deliver it. Yes, I'm going to deliver this ones myself. So all I have to do now is to go and deliver it. So thank you so much. See you guys later. Bye.